How does tracking work on the Mirror device? First, let's make sure you have the current versions of the system and firmware. To do this, open the About screen by clicking on the gear icon. They should be as displayed on the screen. Please note, if you plan to use tracking in your videos, the remote must be turned on in advance. If you turn it on during recording, you will lose sound. We will add support for switching in future versions of the application. If you are already logged into the system and have opened your personal flow, you can start recording in two ways. Using the remote, press the recording button. You can do this from the dashboard or once you've started your personal flow. The video will start recording and tracking will work by default. Walk around the room and it will always keep you in focus. The camera will even zoom in on you if you change the distance from the device. Stop recording the video by pressing the recording button again. Click Done to return to the dashboard. After processing, your video will become available. The second way is to start the video manually. Press the Start button and then record. If you do not plan to use tracking, simply turn off the remote or leave it in the dock. This way, your video will start without tracking. I wish you successful use and experience.